let's talk of action. In everyday life, we do many things. We might be mixing our coffee in the morning, cooking food, washing clothes, talking to friends, taking the ride to work, working in the workplace, meeting friends, watching the news over the television, spending time in front of the computer to check the email and the Facebook maybe, where we have many actions in daily life. Now, behind each action is a certain plan or goal. I am going to make my morning coffee. That's my plan. I take the coffee, I take the hot water, I mix them together. My movements are oriented to making my coffee, to the plan of having my morning coffee. I intend to go to work early. I wake up early. I take my ride to work early. So my plan of being there in the workplace early is realized by the steps that I do. Now, what makes us plan? We are in contexts in everyday life. Now, these contexts motivate our planning. It's very hot, so what is my plan? It is raining and I am going to work, so what is my plan? I am poor, I need money, I have my family to feed, so what is my plan? I have an important news about my friend, so what is my plan? Notice, because of the different contexts, we think of plans. It is very hot. My plan is to go to the air-conditioned store. Or my plan is to fan myself with a piece of carton. So I have different ways of planning. The plan is really up to me. The condition in which I find myself in is the context that is imposed upon me. The plan comes from me. I take an attitude towards my different situations, and in doing that, I make different plans in everyday life. So notice components of action. There is the intention or the plan. There is the context in which we find ourselves in. And finally, we take the steps in order to achieve our plans.